Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit code in Replit. Let's get started. As you can see, I already have a Python project open in Replit. Now I want to make a small change to my existing program. Instead of editing the code manually, I simply ask Replit AI to update it for me. For this example, I ask Replit AI to change the message from "Hello World" to "Welcome to Replit" after I submit the prompt. Replit AI starts analyzing my request and updates the code automatically. Within a few seconds, the AI modifies the existing program without requiring me to rewrite the code. Now, I'll run the program to make sure the changes have been applied successfully. As you can see, the updated output is displayed correctly. This is one of the easiest ways to edit code in Replit. If I want to make more changes, I can simply enter another prompt, and Replit AI will update the code again. It can also improve existing programs, fix errors, add new features, and explain how the code works. And that's how you can edit code in Replit using Replit AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.